for electric iron. Referral standard IS 302-2-3 2007 and IS 366-1991. Equipment: apparatus, drop test apparatus. Iron testing procedure to conduct this operation and many more. This is the 1000 times to drop. Iron is suspended by its handle with the sole plates in the horizontal position. It is dropped from the height of 40 mm onto a rigidly support steel plate having a thickness at least 15 mm and a mass of at least 50 kg. The test is carried out 1000 times at a rated speed not exceed 20 drops per minute and 5 drops per minute. During test, the iron is connected to the supply cord. Once the test is over, switch off and remove the sample. Then power input is taken and finish the test.